Morning, dear children. Welcome to the grammar world. In the previous class, we have learned about the adjectives and its kinds. You know what is an adjective? Yes, it is a word to describe a noun or a pronoun. Today, we are going to learn about the degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative, and superlative degree. Why do we need the degrees of comparison? When we compare two nouns, we use it. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison made. But comparative degree is used to compare two things, as well as superlative degree is used when we compare more than two nouns. Let's say one example. Ram is a tall boy. Shyam is taller than Ram. Raj is tallest among all. Here in the first sentence, Ram is the noun and is not compared to any person. Ram is tall boy. Tall is the adjective used. There is no comparison, so it is called positive degree. In the second sentence, Shyam is taller than Ram. Here two persons are compared. Which are the words? Which are the nouns Shyam and Ram? They are compared with their height. Shyam is taller than Ram. Here, taller is the adjective. So, it is comparing with the two persons, so it is comparative degree. Whereas, in the third sentence, Raj is tallest among all. Here, the adjective is tallest and it is compared with the more than two person or the three, Shyam, Ram and Raj. So, it is more than two persons, so we called it a superlative. Dear children, take out the adjectives we used here. Tall, first one, that is positive. Taller, second sentence that is comparative. And the third sentence, it is tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Remember, dear children, positive degree is not comparing to any person or anything, but comparative degree is compared with the two, and the superlative degree is compared with the more than two persons or things. So, dear children, what do you learn from this? Normally, by adding er to the positive degree, we will get a comparative degree. So, tall, taller. Then we add est to the positive form, we will get the superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. This is the way we are forming comparative and superlative degree. Here there is a chart. See, positive, comparative and superlative. The first one, small. Small is the positive, comparative smaller. Add er to the positive degree. Then add est to the positive, so we will get smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Cold, colder, coldest. Fine, finer, finest. Rich, richer, richest. Happy, happier, happiest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Dear children, we should keep in our mind that when we use comparative degree, we should add than and we should use the before the superlative degree. This is a short trick to make more clear. Okay, now let's see one example. One exercise is there in the textbook. Say, Mount Everest is the peak in the world. In the bracket, adjective is used to hide. We have to use the degree. Okay. Now I told you the form is there before the positive degree, means we can make it as a superlative. So, what is a superlative form of high? High is the positive. High, higher, highest. So, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. See, just before the adjective, the form is there, means we should understand that it is a superlative degree. The same way, the second one you say, than is used. A wise enemy is dash than a foolish friend. Here in the bracket is good. So we have to use the second form. That is a comparative form because there is than is already used. Its answer I will send in the group. Now leave it that one. We will discuss in that class. Here that is a trick I told. Okay, the is used before the superlative and than is used when it is comparative degree. Dear children, some adjectives have two syllables and we should add more and most to make it comparative and superlative. Here, beautiful. We cannot say beautifuler or beautifulest. It is wrong. We have to add more to make comparative. More beautiful and most beautiful. The same way, intelligent. Two syllables. More intelligent and most intelligent. Useful, more useful, most useful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Another important thing is that some adjectives are compared irregularly. Their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive degrees. Here some examples are there. Good, better, best. That is not gooder or goodest. Okay. Bad, worse, worst. For, former or foremost. Far, further, furthest. Little, less, least. Okay, dear children, this all about the degrees of comparison. There are three exercises are there. Answers I will send in the group. So I hope you understood what is degrees of comparison. There is three are there: positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Let's see then with the next topic in the next class. Thank you. Bye.